Hello po everyone. So, we appreciate your support for AC Squared every Thursday. Sa mga nagtatanong pa po na paano mag-vote, here is how to vote. So, you have to download this app. It's called Open TV. Orange po siya. Pag na-download nyo na po, you click that. And then, pag time na po namin kumanta ni Anthony, dun lang po kayo pwedeng mag-vote. Dun po siya mag-a-appear dito. Tapos, up to 5 po votes lang po kayo pwedeng mag-vote. So, habang lang po kami na kanta ni Anthony, pwede kayo mag-vote. And then, pag hindi nyo po yun if you can't vote during the time of our song, there's another chance to vote after everyone sings. After we're all done, nag-o-open ulit po yung voting system. Thank you.
Okay, thank you po.
Thank you po.